Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Prepositions. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
prepositions.
A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence.
Here are
some
examples. Prepositions of time.
On. I was born on May 5, 2009. In. I started studying in 2013. At. I wake up at 7 a.m. Before. I arrived 2 minutes before class. After. I played after the class ended. Throughout. The party will be throughout the night. During. I learned how to play guitar during the holidays. Around. She usually sleeps around 8 p.m. About. It was about 7 in the morning when we had breakfast. Until. The supermarket is open until midnight.
Prepositions of place.
We now know that on, in, and at are all prepositions of time, but it can also be used as prepositions of place.
On the table. In the jar. At the airport. Under the tree. Over the bed. Inside the car. Outside the house. Above the sky. Below the stairs.
Prepositions of movement.
To the park. Across the lake. Through the window. Into the room. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Underline the preposition in each sentence.
Number 1. Gino sat on the chair.
The correct answer is on. Gino sat on the chair.
Number 2. There is some milk in the fridge.
The correct answer is in. There is some milk in the fridge.
Number 3. The dog is under the table.
The correct answer is under. The dog is under the table.
Number 4. Jessa went over the bridge.
The correct answer is over. Jessa went over the bridge.
Number 5. The car belongs to Chris.
The correct answer is 2. The car belongs to Chris.
Number 6. The sun is above the clouds.
The correct answer is above. The sun is above the clouds.
Number 7. The truck went through the tunnel.
The correct answer is through. The truck went through the tunnel.
Number 8. I swam in a lake.
The correct answer is in. I swam in the lake.
Number 9. The bride walked down the aisle.
The correct answer is down. The bride walked down the aisle.
Number 10. They arrived 15 minutes before the flight board.
The correct answer is before. They arrived 15 minutes before the flight board.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Complete each sentence with a preposition from the word bank.
Number 1. Jazz was born 20 minutes. Her twin sister, Jem.
The correct answer is after. Jess was born 20 minutes after her twin sister, Jem.
Number 2. I can see Mom. The picture.
The correct answer is in. I can see Mom in the picture.
Number 3. The cat was sleeping. The rug.
The correct answer is on. The cat was sleeping on the rug.
Number 4. The boys chased each other.
The correct answer is after. The boys chased after each other.
Number 5. A man was walking his dog. The riverbank.
The correct answer is along. A man was walking his dog along the riverbank.
Number 6. They brought the luggage. The room.
The correct answer is into. They brought the luggage into the room.
Number 7. My classmates and I walked the street.
The correct answer is across. My classmates and I walked across the street.
Number 8. Jack went the hill.
The correct answer is up. Jack went up the hill.
Number 9. John drove his new car. The store.
The correct answer is 2. John drove his new car to the store.
Number 10. The cookies are the jar.
The correct answer is in. The cookies are in the jar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.